Abbas bin Abdullah bin Zubair says, when Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu expired, the Prophet's wives radiyallahu anhum sent the message to bring his body in the mosque so that they might as well perform his funeral prayer. The same was done, and the bier with his body was placed before their apartments so that they could also perform the funeral prayer. Then the dead body on the bier was taken out through Babul Janaiz on the side of Maqaid. When the companions radiyallahu anhum got aware of it, they raised objection on it, saying, the dead are not taken into the mosques. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha thereupon said, how early have the people started criticizing what they do not know? They are objecting to praying the dead in the mosque, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the funeral prayer of Suhail bin Baida in the mosque. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2250.